cannot believe what just happened. I just gave the best clausable information and the screen didn't work. Oh my goodness gracious me. So what's going on with OBS, man? Like, the brand new M3 MacBook as well. It's not the MacBook, it's OBS. It's being weird. I'm gonna stick to this for now, okay? And everybody in the group, and put all of these private after this one, okay? I'm just in a super rush now. I've got a meeting in 13 minutes. I'm gonna be late for that, but I need to redo this for you because it's so important. Oh my goodness me. Wow, incredible. Right, so, okay. Okay, let's go back to it. Okay, gold. Right, thesis on gold. Let me just go through. I went through the weekly, daily. I went through everything and absolutely nailed it. Oh, let's do it again. Okay, we don't quit. Right, so guys, look, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I was watching the kites outside. Oh, right, here we go. Okay, so gold. Let me tell you something. Last 5 weeks, my friends, I did not stop. From the 7th of December, 5 weeks in a row, nailed everything. I had a stop today, but I'm not stopped. I'll explain that in a moment. A stop yesterday, 20 pips. Wow. And then Monday was a thingy, a break even. 33% of the way. Moved, stopped to break, came back, whatever. It's all good. So what I'm trying to say is last week was one of the best weeks I've ever had. Started January well, killed it. Okay, I'll get into the gold thesis and analogy in a minute, but let's have a look at this weekly. Okay, so God, here we go again. Now, the main protocol here with gold on the weekly basis, okay, weekly standpoint. Okay, and the monthly's all over the place, nothing special there. Weekly's quite special though. So we've gone from Monday the 27th of November, and then we have the Monday the 4th of December. Okay, so 1 and then 2. What I've done, I've marked on the volume of this candle because we actually broke some massive highs. Huge volume in here. Okay, volume and then more volume, but that's retrieved volume. 1 to the 2 and brought across, or scaled off this. Okay, all of these lines, my friends, are simple weekly lows, weekly highs. Okay, just giving some barriers on there, most recent barriers. Here we have 1 and 2 brought across, which spiked into last week, 2002, beautiful, when we absolutely nailed the entirety of gold from top to bottom, which was that. From here, okay, that's where we first entered gold. We scaled all the way in and we came all the way back up. We'll get to that in a minute, cross that bridge. Right hand side, across. What we've seen was the week after, Monday, 11th of December start, we came through, spiked in, came back up. So we've got nice thesis here coming off this volume, okay, there's volume everywhere, remember? 1998, but we need to find a scalable volume in order to actually get our high net worth trades, so to speak. Came through 1, 2, 3, back down, more volume here, 1 to 2 brought across, broke below, opened, spiked above, closed below, opened, spiked above, closed below. However, we also closed below 50% of our initial volume, which started on Monday the 27th of November. So this is why my thesis on gold, okay, it's kind of trapped, we're in a trapped edge, because what we see here is 2024, my friends, start point, secondary, through, back above, close above 50. Okay, there's 3 factors there on that 1 week. There's many, obviously in intra-week, but on the weekly basis, there's 3. Next, come down, we spike 1, spike 2, spike 3, come back. What's important here, we close below the 50%, but we also spiked in. So we're kind of edging down, but it's biting hard. Here, what we've done now, my friends, okay, easy work. Preference opened, spike to 50, spike below, we're stuck. So, what to do now? Open up daily for a second. Oh, no, fucking hell, I just drew all of this on. Jesus. What we gotta do, sometimes? What we gotta do? Keep going. Right, what we see, and again, because I've watched every single day and know where the volume is, I remember every single fucking keynote on gold, every single session, and I know this is very valuable. 1 to 2. What we've seen is we came through, spike 50, came down, ran down, came into various areas, and even if you wanted to go a little bit deeper, we could go 1 to 2 and bring that across, okay? Spike through, 50%, spike through, back above. So we're playing within volume and volume. Where we see the spikes, volume's coming in here. Intraday, intersession, A to B, B, the money comes back out. Courses, here we go again. Money comes in, shoots up, more volume. B, money comes out. A again, B's now A comes in, volume comes down. Money comes out, this, that, and the other. There's more volume. I can see everything that's going on in the market. I'm not going to type it all on there because it might get a bit confusing for you people. Coming in 1 to 2. This fib, which could cross average. What we then see is this is huge volume, okay? 1 to 2 going across. So even though, right, we come in, we've got 1, 2, 50%. 50% of here, very, very accurate. We're trapped. Weekly's trapped, daily's trapped. If you look at the fib though, from here, from the one red candle to the secondary red candle, bringing across, and that wasn't accurate, sorry, 1 to 2. You can see confluences build up, 50s, and then 1, 2 there. I can't give 100%. No one can give 100% on this. I don't care what anyone says. The bank guys, the institutions and stuff that kind of working for me in a way. They said last week, never seen anything like that in their life. The way I broke down gold and was 100% accurate. Not even these guys know what they're doing. Okay, I'm telling them what to do. And I'm about to just school everybody. While everyone's still playing with the prop firms that are going to be out, dead and not around anymore in 6-7 months, I'm going to be in some of the major league buildings, watching these guys just fizzle out. Well, I don't watch anybody because they're not worth anything, but yeah. Moral of the story, it's hard right now, but we can make it easy. So that's that. Okay, I hope that made sense. Everything I draw on is 110% accurate, FYI. It just depends on my mental and what I'm doing. So I've had a very, very busy week, just enjoying the fruits of the labor. I'm in some meetings, just having some fun. Taking a break because I know right now, and let's have a look at this. Let's take this off. So we annihilated all of this last week, all the way to the bottom, came back, all the way to the top, came back. Now look at the price. Look at the satisfaction level of gold's not satisfied right now. Why? Because it's on the week. It's all weekly. This is all weekly analogy. But if we were to just shoot this around, boom, boom. Look at that. We've came through and we broke 50%. Now we're stalling on 50%. We've had 3 flakes, but now if we flake that out, we're going to be going into the lowest 2000, 1980, 1973. Okay, but we need to just wait. Now, if you look at sheer consolidation going across, this is what your mentors, they call everything price action, but it's not. This is price action where it's just flaking all over the place. The actionable price of money going from A to B, but in a very, very short-term manner, because what needs to happen in the market, which I'm not going to say publicly, there's many, many things that I don't actually share. I'm trying to just make this easy for you. It's not happening yet. So let's just look at one thing. The feasibility of, can't show that one, that's my secret. Feasibility of what I went through today. We came below, okay, and there was an option here. There's a 1 to 6, let's say 1 to 7 trade, and then a secondary, which is a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. We came in, we spiked into the low. I know exactly why this reversed, by the way. And then I had this volume area, which was just, seized across, came boom, 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 came back into the highs. Here we have 33-minute area of volume and transcendence from the top into the going across. We came through once, came through twice. If we break above that, guys, and then retest, gold will be making a new high on here, okay? If it makes a new high, look at the crosshair here, see 2038s, look at 2038s there, okay? It's only there, we've had 2 spikes into it. It could come back up and it could cross balance within this arena. It could go 2040s, 2050s, and then still reverse to the downside. It's playing a game right now. But we could have the spike into this, drop back below, who knows? Let's see. Let's see. So going into this factor, again, my favorite on gold is the 90 minute. 90 minutes beautiful. I don't know what that is. I just phased that out. I was talking about something on the last video. I can't even remember. So what we have here, we have feasibility season. Let's have a look at this. So we can go in, we go, okay, cool. So there's 1 to 2, there's money there, money coming back in, money. This could come back in again. So we've got one primary stick high. We could come in, make another stick high into 2034, then roll over. We also have cross-contamination, so to speak, of 1 to 2, okay? And that's where we are right now, 1, 2. It really, really does depend on this. 17 minute, one of my favorites. Look at it, it's just a little bit of a mess. Super mess, but there's a lot of climax to a potential for this actually running into this phase here. What I haven't used this before yet. This is 90. Let's go back to the 90 for a second, sorry. Okay, here we got volume going into, and this has been a high-end area. Okay, across 50s, more so. We've traded at the lows at 2023, but we've also the edge wear of the candle bodies on each 90-minute time for 90-minute response rate has closed above 2023 right there. What time is it? Oh, shit. 1 to 2 across there again. 50, 50, 50. Money coming in, money coming out. I can see everything, but I'm not going to draw it on just because it might give you a bit of headache. But if we sustain, now there's 2 sustainability points here. Number 1 is this. Okay, this is one. So blue to blue, we have that. Okay, blue to blue. We go blue to red. Let's have a look at the red. Okay, go to the red actual high. Now, this is the first time I've actually drawn this on, my friends, and as you can see, look at how we've gone from 1 to 2. 2 of them prehistoric levels that I already had on. If we go into there, we can go into 2042, 2049, then we can fold. My main picture on here was, I know I've been thrashing BTC, I haven't been too closed up with this, but we could do that. Secondary, and you can see the confluence we have there as well. Secondary element is something such as red to red, and we could be here, and that could be, if you were a retard on one of your mentors on IG, it could be like, oh, it's a fucking trend line, oh, whatever. But we're not on that level. We're not that low, sorry. So I just need to sit back and think about this for a second. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out and eat. I'm just giving you some tips and points. What I would say is, like, I put a thesis out there today. I'm actually still in the thesis, and some of you guys, especially in the group and stuff, and they put this out like it's probably like the first SL loss properly in 5 weeks, 6 weeks, because I've been focused on another thing that's going on right now, investment wise, which is doing really well. If we roll, we can roll here and then we can roll out. Now, if you can draw like this as an instant and understand exactly where I'm coming from, if some of you guys can, you could just scale gold. You don't have to do an RI, you can just scale gold. Okay, small lot, small lot, small lot, small lot. Okay, and then just ride it out, ride the whole thing out. Target wise, we're looking at anywhere between 300 to 500 pips. So let's keep it like that. I'll post this. I literally need to roll. I need to go. I'll be back involved on the video scope tomorrow. I need to go hard tomorrow, Friday, just because the energy's there, So have a good one. Fresh in the bits, mate. Fresh in the bits. Lots of love. Goodbye.